Welcome to AnyPOS How to Video. How to see the sales transactions from AnyPOS app. Click on the top left menu item and select the Transactions tab. Here you can see all your transactions. On the top you can filter the transactions on daily, weekly, or monthly basis. You can also see your pending transactions and completed transactions. If you wish to see any transaction details, simply click on the transaction and you will be able to see the details. You can print the transaction and share it on the WhatsApp. All invoices are saved on the cloud, so you can retrieve them anytime. Thank you for watching.